Yes, Mr. Pai.
Arnab, the topic for today is whether a 4-year course is good. The 4-year course is good. If you say the 4-year course is rushed, the teachers have not been consulted, they should have more time, that's a different issue.
Mohandas Pai.
Let us not mix up both these issues.
Mohandas Pai.
We are right now mixing it up.
Mohandas Pai. Mohandas Pai, I ask you a question. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
You were HR director at Infosys, right?
Please,
Let me answer.
You were HR director at Infosys. I ask you one question. A class 12 Indian student preparing for an IIT exam picks up a book, I don't know if it's still used in my time, called Resnick and Halliday. And I want to ask you today, which American class 12 student or 15, 16-year-old can do Resnick and Halliday? They can't, because the American high school system is awful. And Obama knows the American high school system is awful. The Indian high school system is competitive. Our students who sit for law exams and engineering exams are a billion times better than the Americans. We want to pick up the worst of the American system and immediately implement it on the student. I'm asking you, what's the hurry to do this? What is the agenda? There must be an agenda.
Let us understand the top 10% of Indian colleges are better than most people in the world. But the average quality is poor. To raise the average quality, we need 4 years. That is the issue. In America, the average quality is much higher.
So
the top 10% are not as good as the top 10% in India.
To average now. What are you trying to say? No.
But are you saying the Delhi...
And I have one more point to raise here, Arnab.
No, Dr. Asha. Okay, let's get in Dr. Asha Singh. Dr. Asha Singh. Dr. Asha Singh.
The average quality of the
I don't.
top 60% is much less than what is there outside.
Sir, I don't know.
The average too.
Sir, you are saying the average Indian student is worse off than the average American student. I would bet to disagree. But let's get in Dr. Asha Singh. Let's get
indications are the average in India is much lower than the average in America or the other developed countries.
Dr. Asha Singh. Dr. Asha Singh, 1 minute. Dr. Asha Singh, respond to Mohandas Pai, please.
Yeah, I want to say that he's raising the point that we are talking about 4-year degree versus the 3-year degree. But these degrees and the education and the quality of education does not come in isolation. It has to be the way the processes of change have to be deliberated. They have to be, and very rightly you pointed out that the courses can't change overnight. No positive change comes overnight. I mean, what changes come overnight are destructive.
Precisely.
You have to confer about it. You have to think about the multidisciplinary. I come from a discipline which is totally multidisciplinary.
Are we talking about the process or the 4 years?
No, she's saying process. She's saying, Dr. Asha Singh has a good point. No, Dr. Asha Singh's point is, she says that you're trying to bulldoze. You can't bulldoze. There are sound academics, why is there no democracy in Delhi University?
Teachers are supposed to be leaders, they deal with young minds.
You don't consult the teachers. You don't consult the researchers. You don't consult the faculties.
4 years is a good, Arnab, do you all agree 4 years is a good degree? But if the teachers require more time to change, now that is a valid argument. That's a valid argument.
So why bulldoze?
They say that we want 1 year to change, 2 years to change, that's fine.
Not only
not only
more
mix
time,
it up
but
with the issue whether 4 years is better than 3 years.
No, but why this shock therapy?
In our own country,
why this shock therapy? My question is, let's look at 4-year versus 3-year degree.
It's been discussed for a long period of time.
No.
There have been innumerable reports.
Mohandas Pai.
Like somebody said earlier, this has been working for a fair amount of time.
No, so Mohandas Pai, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
That in America, do you have a system whereby, for example, in Washington you have a 4-year degree, you go to, Illinois, you have a 3-year degree, then you go to Chicago, you have a 2.5-year degree. But in India, if Presidency College, if Presidency College, Calcutta has the 3-year degree, why should Hindu College, Delhi University have a 4-year degree? What kind of system is this? What kind of system? I don't understand the system.
All colleges and universities in India should graduate towards a 4-year degree.
So you are an engineer. You run an engineering company. You run an engineering company. Suppose I were to tell you that from tomorrow, IT BHU will have a 3-year degree. Okay, REC Silchar will have a 4-year degree. And IIT Kharagpur will have a 5-year degree. Will you say, fine, good, experimentation, flexibility, good. Can we have that?
Yes.
Can we have that in engineering?
Arnab, We will then
Arnab,
assess
I'd
what
like
is
to,
the
talk
content
about
of
this
this 3 years, 4 years,
experimentation.
5 years and make our own judgment.
Sir, judgment, where is the parity? This is one country. At least we, in Americans would never do something
Arnab.
like this in an unthought way. We are trying to be American and not being,
Arnab.
we are ruining the
Arnab,
system.
can I talk about
Arnab,
the experimentation?
I just want to get Professor
if you
Wahid in.
believe that the
please
education
give me
in
an
Patna
opportunity.
University, for instance, the same as Delhi University, you are mistaken. If you take the fact that some universities in South India are the same quality as Delhi, you are mistaken. Delhi has a better quality, so Delhi graduates will be preferred. So 4 years will be much more preferred than the 3 years.
Sir, please,
So,
please,
let's
sir,
not have
please,
parity.
sir,
There's no
please,
question
let's
of
not,
parity.
sir, please, let's not have this view.
We haven't even started the 4-year degree yet.
Sir, you would be surprised, Mohandas Pai, that today, for example, let me take humanities. You go
Yes.
across all the top law firms in the world. I can tell you from you go through the top law
Yes.
firms in the, you will be surprised, and you would have friends, and so would I. People who
Yes.
went to the most mofassil colleges
Yes.
and universities, who are today partners in all the top law firms in the world, top engineering firms in the world, top professors in the world. So just because a person comes from humble origins, the person's background cannot be ridiculed. And some people may not be able to go to a Delhi University not because
That
of
is
lack
not
of
it, Arnab. That
ability,
is
but
not it,
because of
Arnab.
lack of
The top
opportunity.
10%,
No,
Arnab.
I'm on. Nobody's answering my
No,
fundamental
Arnab, the
question.
top 10%.
If you cannot, no sir, can you have a 4-year
Arnab.
degree and a 3-year degree and a 5-year degree in engineering?
Let me ask.
Arnab,
Sir, in
there is-
India,
first of all,
in
there is-
India we
That
still
will
have
never
4-year
further
degree
be-
course
Arnab, but I
certificate
want
in
to
some
ask-
of the universities.
Diploma.
Some of the university we still have 4-year degree course. In the Bangalore Science University we have still 4-year degree course, and
Yes.
the graduated from that university are placed in the high level companies, and we are getting much of the employment there. And what we can say is that it is one of the topmost universities. And after the amendment and reform taken in Delhi University.
So you tell me.
the
No,
Haryana
I'll
Chief
ask you the
Minister already
counter.
announced that
Okay,
the
you are the
invention in the Delhi University.
No, no,
we are following up
are you
in the next year.
Are you Arun Huda? You tell me today, because you are the president of Delhi University Students Union, right? You tell me today that somebody who passes this 2-year degree, so-called associate baccalaureate or God knows what is being called, will he be eligible for employment in top jobs?
Undergraduate.
Will he be eligible?
Firstly,
Arnab,
sir,
the
let
choice he
me
makes.
ask a question to. Let me ask a question to all of the who are favoring or who are against it, and all of you. Ultimately, who are going to affect the students? Are you approaching to the students who are against it?
Have you asked
Who
the
are
students?
favoring-
Have you asked the
students?
Are you
Unprepared
talking to the
education.
students
Arun, let me
and the
ask
news
you
channels?
something.
It
No,
is-
one second.
Arnab, let me get in here now.
No put is responding to you.
the students.
Nobody is responding.
I have taken their
Arun,
views.
Arun, I did
I am
2 degrees
trying
from
my
Delhi
level
University.
best.
I
Arun,
did
one
2
second,
degrees
no
from
put.
Delhi University.
No put.
Please let me get in
It
here.
is debating
please.
since 2
I think we
months
are
or
all
3
aware.
months in every
I
field,
think
in
we are
debates,
all
in the
aware.
parliament.
One
or
minute,
in
Mr.
in the
Huda.
field of
Mr. Huda, this is really, these kind of decisions are not taken in this kind of a hurry, and I'm sorry, with the greatest of respect to you, you're a student leader. You represent a
May
faction
I
of students.
also come in,
You have no right, Mr. Huda, to speak on behalf of
I
all
just
those who are
want to raise
trying to
one
get
point.
into Delhi University. Yes, Professor Wahid wanted to come in. Yes, Professor Wahid.
Yes, please. Actually, there are two issues. I made a statement saying that the proposal to go in for a 4-year degree as compared to a 3-year degree, I consider as laudable. There are reasons. And the reasons are that we should not forget that earlier in this country, we had 10 plus 2 pattern. There came a time that we converted it into 10 plus 2 plus 3 because there was a reason. The reason is that the knowledge contents keep on growing. And we thought that 2 years would not be sufficient, so it should be 3-year undergraduate program. The same argument applies today. Knowledge has grown exponentially in all areas, science, social sciences, languages, whatever. And therefore, we must accept that 3 years are not sufficient
You don't
to do
take these
justice with
decisions
the
overnight.
How do you decide it in 3.5 hours?
No.
What is the hurry? I'm sorry, Mr. Wahid.
No.
It seems to me that there is some pressure. There is some pressure. Otherwise, why would somebody decide in 3.5 hours?
Semester system was when last.
No, one second, Mr. Huda.
I'm giving
Mr.
you
Huda, you're not
argument.
making a logical argument.
Arnab, please
is
let me get in here.
No.
You see, the question is, what is the hurry?
Please allow me to make another statement.
No, I'm sorry, Mr. Waheed, this is decided in 3.5 hours. Professors, members of the faculty are not taken into board.
This is one aspect. Arguments, I must say, 4-year degree program will be more qualitative, better degree as compared to 3-year. There are reasons.
So one second, Professor Waheed, how long? Professor Waheed, you are the Vice Chancellor of the Central University of Kashmir. How many? One second, Mr. Huda. Mr. Huda, 1 minute. Professor Waheed, how many years is the degree program in your university?
Yeah. It is 3 years. It has been 3 years.
Okay, then then it must be a terrible degree. By your logic.
No. Please allow me to say. I say in principle, 4-year degree would be a better degree as compared to 3-year degree, but it needed lot of preparation and revision of syllabi, preparing teachers, involving teachers in decision making. I have no comments regarding. No, I don't know what Delhi University has done. I have no idea whether they actually made due preparation for it. It needed preparations. And let me also say, I would not appreciate one university in the country offering 4-year BA program and all other universities.
To the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University.
Delhi University.
No, to the Vice Chancellor, to the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University, with the greatest of respect, the point is this, sir. Don't make this an ego issue. Get into a discussion. It appears that this has become a personality tussle.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, Mr. Vice Chancellor, whatever you are deciding is going to influence lots of people. There's no point making this a prestige issue.
Yeah, sure.
It's pointless to make it a prestige issue. Defer it if required, have a consultative process, then take it forward. We will debate it again on the News Hour, Nupur. We'll debate it again. Thank you very much. Thank you.